Hello students, this video is about formatting a document. So in this video, we are going to learn how you can format a Word document. So first we will start with font. So what do you mean by font? Font means the character of a specific size and design used for typing the text are called fonts. In MS Word, we have various types of fonts options. So let us start. This is your font style box. This one is your font style box. Okay. From here you can see by default when we are opening the Word, the font style is Calibri. Okay. Now if I want to change it, what I will do? Which type of style I want? So from here I will select the text. Then I will select the option which type I want. Suppose I want this type, monotype cursive. So I have to select like this. For second paragraph, suppose you want something else. So select the second paragraph. From here, you choose the type of font you want. Suppose I want this one. So I selected. So it is up to me which font style I want. If you want to change the size of the text, so what you will do? First select the text, then come here, then select the size of the text. Okay, so I am selecting suppose 16. So now it is applied to this. After that, we will see how you can make the text bold, italic and underlined. For that, I have to select the text and I have to click on the B option for making it bold. If you want italics, so you have to select an I. If you want to make the text underlined, so you have to select U. So like this, we can use as per our requirement. Now we will move to the next part, that is changing the text alignment. How you will select the text and how you will make them aligned, whether it is left aligned, whether it is center aligned, whether it is right aligned, or whether it is justified. So that we will get in the paragraph group. You can see here these four are the options for that. This is for left alignment, this is for center alignment, this is for right alignment, and this is for justify. Now we will see them one by one. First, you select the text. If you want center alignment, click on this button. For everything, you have to select first the text. Suppose I want right alignment, then you have to select this. So the text is right aligned. If I want to make it justify, then you have to click on the justify button. So what is the difference between alignment left and alignment justify? Justify means it places the text evenly between the left and right margins. While in case of left alignment, it places all the selected text to the left margin. So that is the difference between the left alignment and justify. Now we will move to the color of the text. How I will change the color of the text. For that, what we have to do? For that, first we have to select the text. Then you have to select the color. Suppose I want this color. I will select like this. Okay. If you want to change the background color of the text also, you can do like this. Select the text, then go to this option. Click here. So you will get several colors. Now you can select any color. Okay. So this is the way you can apply the color to the text. Now we will see how to change the line spacing. So for that we should know what is line spacing. Line spacing means it is the vertical distance between successive lines of the text in a document. Suppose I want more space here. So what I will do? Keep your cursor here. Go to this line spacing option. Then select how much space you want to give between these two lines. Suppose I want to give 2.5. So now you can find out. Here is the gap which is of 2.5. So this is known as the line spacing. Okay. Now we will move to the next one. That is, let me clear the formattings. That is bullets and numberings. What do you mean by bullets and numberings? Bulleted means we can format list in a document by using bullets. Okay, you can format the contents of a document using the bullets and numberings. For example, whenever you are writing a notes in your notebook, what you are doing? You are making some main points or some sub main points. In that case, what you are using? Either you are using 1, 2, 3, ABC, or sometimes you are using star, square symbol. So these star and square symbols are known as the bulleted list. But when you are using A, B, C, 1, 2, 3, upper Roman letters or lower Roman letters, they are known as the numberings. So in Word, you can apply bullets and numberings. Now we will see how we can apply that bullets and numberings in our Word document. For that, again, you have to select the text. So here I am keeping my mouse cursor. Then I am going to the bullets and numbering option. Here you can see this is my bullets list and this is my numbering list. If I want to do a bullets list, I will click here in the drop down menu. It will show me so many available bullet lists. Suppose I want this one, so I will select like this. So now when I will press a enter symbol, you can see automatically it is showing me same type of bullet. Okay, now we will see how to apply numberings. For that, what we will do, again you click here, go to the numbering list, then you select the type of thing you want, whether you want numbers 1 to 3, whether you want the numbers with brackets, whether you want with upper Romans, whether you want it capital ABC, whether you want with small ABC with brackets, whether A dot, B dot, C dot like that you want, or you want in lower Romans. So I am taking upper Roman. Now you see when you will press the enter key, automatically 2 will come because it is providing a list. Now we will move to the next segment, that is how to apply borders and shadings to our document. For that, what you have to do, you come here, then go to borders and shading option, then you select the type of border you want to apply to your document. If I want to apply the border to a paragraph, I can select here and I can select paragraph here and I can click on OK. If you want to apply the border to a page, then click on page border. Here you choose what type of border you want for your document. Suppose I want this type of border, select it. Then you have to select your whole document, not this section, first page only, all except first page. So if it is a document, it is the collection of pages. If you want to apply to only one section, you have to select this section. But I want to apply the same border to whole document, so I will click on the whole document. But if you want for the first page only, so you have to click on the first page. For other pages it will not apply. If you want to apply to the other pages except first page, so you have to select this option. But I want to apply it to whole document, so click on whole document, then click on OK. Now you can see border has been applied to my Word document. Okay, now we will see how to apply drop cap. What do you mean by drop cap? In order to give a graceful look to your document, we apply drop cap option. For that, what we have to do? First, we have to go to insert tab. Go to insert tab. Then from here, you will get drop cap option. Before that, I have to type some text. Suppose I am typing happiness. Next, I am typing happy. For this happiness, I want to make it a bold one. So what I will do, come here, then go to this drop cap option. You select which one you want. Okay, suppose I want this one. So select H, dropped. Now you can see what is the use of this drop cap. Okay, children, this is all about your lesson formatting a document. Thank you.